Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send your PayPal link. First, log in to your PayPal account using either the website or the mobile application. Once logged in, you'll want to find the Send and Request or Request Money section. This is where you can easily locate your personalized PayPal, Me link. It's a simple way for others to send you money quickly and securely, making transactions super convenient for everyone involved. Did you know you can customize your PayPal, Me link? It's a fantastic way to make it more personal and easier for people to remember. When you create or edit your link, choose a username that's memorable and professional. This helps ensure your link is unique and clearly represents you or your business. A customized link makes sharing much more efficient and adds a touch of professionalism to your payment requests. Once you have your PayPal, Me link, sharing it is incredibly simple. You can send it directly through text messages, emails, or even post it on your social media platforms. For businesses, consider embedding the link on your website or including it in your email signature. It's also perfect for adding to invoices or payment requests, making it effortless for clients to pay you. This flexibility ensures you can reach anyone, anywhere. When someone clicks your PayPal, Me link, they'll be directed to a secure page where they can easily send you money. They can enter the exact amount they wish to send and even include a personalized note for the payment. After they complete the transaction, always remember to check your PayPal activity to confirm that the payment has been successfully received. It's a straightforward and secure process for both parties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.